Welcome to the American College of Education. Are you considering an advanced degree? If so, you have options. Why should you pick ACE? Well, as a certified benefit corporation, ACE is committed to using their business for good. What does that mean? ACE continually focuses on student needs. Who are today's students? Well, we are real professionals in real schools. We work real jobs, which means we need practical solutions to everyday dilemmas. In addition, we're parents and we're spouses, which means we're busy. We need non-traditional 24/7 access to learning. So, ACE to the rescue. ACE uses innovation. They are a totally online platform, including all of your library materials. Because of this, learning can be accessed anywhere, anytime, even waiting for your child to finish that softball practice. As well, student account activities such as registering, paying your student account bill can all be completed online, saving time and energy and gas driving to a university campus. ACE is also committed to supporting its students. Student voice is critical. Surveys and evaluations gain insight from real students and result in real modifications to practice. Professors are readily available and provide timely feedback on written work that stimulates learning. And perhaps most importantly, ACE is affordable. ACE is approximately 1/3 the cost of traditional university programs. What this means to you is that it limits or eliminates debt altogether. The bottom line here is access. Because of ACE's commitment to its students, more people than ever have the ability to pursue an advanced degree. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and do it, because ACE makes the grade.